Hello bugs, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm bringing you, if you read by the title, it's going to be my top 5 ways to style a white button up. So if you're interested in seeing how I style this 5 different ways, continue to keep watching. Love you. Hi Luvbugs, so this is my first way I love to style a white button down with a pair of jeans. I rarely ever wear jeans, okay? And the reason why I do is I'm 6'1", so all ladies know when you wear jeans, they tend to ride shorts, especially jean shorts, they tend to ride up. So when I wear jeans, I like to have on slides because that means I don't have to worry about my feet hurting or anything from that area. I just have to worry about the shorts riding up. But I also like to do it like this, where you at least, you know, you're grown, but you're still conservative, where you can, you know, have this open and then the bottom. So it's only 2 buttons buttoned. But this is how I like to style it one way. And yes, thick thighs save lives, whatever. But this is one way I like to style a white button down. I always tend to roll my sleeves and then pull them up. This is for one of those days where it's hot outside, but still kind of have a cool tint to the weather. So this is look number 1. Alright Luvbugs, so this is look number 2/3. Okay, so this is my other way of wearing them. I love to just put on a pair of jeans, some white sneakers, and just go to lunch like this. You still get a breeze up here, and then jeans in the bottom. I'm pretty much allergic to mosquitoes, so sometimes I have to wear jeans, because if not, I'm just going to end up looking really bad by the legs. So sometimes jeans are really done in the same way, where you have 2 buttons here and the last few buttons are open. So this isn't look number 2, but the look that I love to do with this one is an even sexier look. So look number 3 will be with you in just a moment. Alright Luvbugs, so this is what I meant by look number 3. So you can always updo the look. So I added this cute bee brooch to hold my shirt in the knot together. Undo all the buttons. This would be beautiful for a day party or, you know, an upscale type thing. But yeah, you have the jeans. You have to do ultra skinny because you're doing loose at the top, okay? So then you do the actual pointed toe shoes. As you see, they wrap around the ankle. But this is my look number 3 that I like to wear with a button-down shirt. So, hope you like it. Yeah. We're not going to flash nobody. But this is my look number 3. Hi Luvbugs, this is look number 4. So this is a skirt. Well, it's a dress that I made into a skirt. But I love to do it with a skirt, a white button down, and some clear heels. So this is look number 4. Hope you like. Alright Luvbugs, so here is my 5th and final look. So I love to just throw it over like a simple black dress or a navy blue or a gray dress and just throw it over, you know, kind of keep you still warm but still looking part of the season. I like to do it with my sneakers or any fresh pair of white sneakers that I do have. So this is my 5th look, but I'm also going to show you another variation of this look, but this is more laid back. So if you wanted to, you could add more like a dressier thing, and this could be like for brunch. So, but we're going to add heels to this look too. So alright Luvbugs, so here is the variation that I was telling you about. Like if you go to brunch and you want to be kind of free, and ladies know what I mean by free, loose fitting dress where if you eat you don't have to worry about, you know, being bloated. So I just paired it with this dress that I got from Walmart in the business section of the clothes, but it doesn't look business on me. It looks very summer and very short. So I like it. So I just put it on with a white button down, my jewelry, my shoes, and I'm good for brunch. So this is the last and final way that I love to style a white button up. I hope that you all really enjoyed this. I know it was a quick video. There's not much to it for me. I just see it, have the idea, and I do it. So these are my top 5 ways of styling a white button up. Until next time, love you, love, love, love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.